Let me recap what we have discussed yesterday. So whenever I'm teaching this application, so first I will teach you functional knowledge or domain knowledge, then how to work with Microsoft Dynamics means clicks, and then a little bit technical knowledge, ERP concepts. Also, I will explain you some interview techniques. So these skills I will make sure you are going to be expertise. And if you want to get a job, you need to have good communication skills, education qualification, good communication skills, joining the live session, practice with the system, discuss with colleagues. Okay, these skills, it is important for you to get a job. So getting a job is not in my control. I can make sure you are going to gain knowledge of Microsoft Dynamics, but that is you need to improve yourself by doing these skills. This is most important. Okay, first I will teach you about transactions, masters, setups, configurations, and parameters. Then after some time, after 4 weeks or 5 weeks, after 4 weeks, I will create a new company, a sample project. And in that company, I will do parameters, setups, configurations, masters, and transactions. All these things I will do it. So first 4 weeks, it will be 6 to 7. 5th week and 6th week, it will be combined session. And then 7th week onwards, it will be separated. Okay, fine. So this is introduction about what you are going to learn next 9 to 10 weeks. Okay, so if you want to learn this application, you need to imagine, actually you are going to, once you learn this application, you are going to join in a software company, but you need to imagine you are running a shop, electronic shop. If you are running an electronic shop, then what are the activities you are going to do it? That you need to imagine, not in the software company. Okay. After like, see, the thing is like, you can, even though if you are joining in a software company, if you want to learn ERP, any ERP, it is not only Microsoft Dynamics, that is SAP, Oracle Apps, Microsoft Dynamics, Tally, Wings, Focus. There are so many ERPs in the market. Infor, there are so many ERPs. If you want to learn any ERP, you need to imagine you are running a shop, a simple electronic shop. Okay, if you imagine you are running an electronic shop, then you can understand easily this ERP. Okay, so in this process, you are going to learn, one is purchase process, another one is sales process. So to understand purchase process, we need to understand procurement and sourcing module. To understand sales process, you need to understand sales and marketing module. Along with these two, you are going to learn product information management and inventory management. These two are because you are maintaining items in your warehouse. So you need to understand deep dive on product information management and inventory management, and master planning also you need to learn one more module. So along with these 5 modules, you are going to learn some more additional. So procurement and sourcing, sales and marketing, product information management, inventory management, master planning, engineering change management, asset management, inventory costing, one of the important topic, inventory costing, FIFO, LIFO, weighted average, moving average, very complex functions that you need to understand. Bill of material, intercompany stock transfer. Not only this one, there are so many subtopics you are going to learn inside. And around 5 to 10% subject finance related, means finance and supply chain management together. Some topics are there. Those topics also I will cover here. Okay, and then what is warehouse management, what is manufacturing, what is PMA, high level overview also I will explain you. high level overview, but you will not learn in depth. This is around 1.5 hour. This is around 1 hour. This is around 1 hour. I will teach you. Okay, overview about other modules also. Fine. So today we are going to learn about purchase order process. Yesterday I have introduced. Today I'm going to discuss with you purchase order process. Okay. So before getting into purchase order process, anyone have any questions? Anyone have any questions, please? I want this session should be more interactive. Okay. If you have any doubts in your mind, then you will not concentrate on my wordings. You will concentrate on your doubt only in your mind. For sure. Okay. The mind will think about the doubt. So please interrupt me at any point of time. Please interrupt me at any point of time so that whatever the question you are asking, whatever the clarification you are expecting, that may be immediately, or I will write down as a pending points. Here, every time I will write down pending points. Let me show you example here. Okay, here I will write pending points. One by one, I will clear the pending points later on. Okay, so sometimes you may not know about that process. It will be, you will learn in future. Then I will write down as a pending points like this. Pending points I'll write down, and before end the session, I will clear all the doubts here. Okay, fine. Now today we are going to learn about purchase order process. Purchase order process we are learning. So if you want to learn this purchase order process, let us go back to application. So this is the application. Okay, you will have the web link and username and password. If you enter web link and username and password, the application will be open like this. Okay, in that company it will be empty. So suppose I'm going to procurement and sourcing, purchase orders, all purchase orders. It will be empty. Nothing will be there. Here I'm taking duplicate. Okay, fine. So look at this one. It is empty. So don't try in that company. You will not find any data. This is empty database. Okay, you cannot find anything. You need to imagine, like as I told you, you are working for a company called project called USMF. You need to imagine this is your company, your project. Okay, whatever the project is allocated, it is USMF. So you need to change to USMF company. Actually, there are so many companies. If you look at this one, there are so many companies. Okay, don't go all. Try to go with USMF company. First initial learning. USMF company. Okay, in this company, you will find the data. Now I'm taking duplicate here, right click, duplicate tab. Right click, duplicate tab. So the first one I'll keep product information management, products, released products. So release product means item master here. Okay, so I'm going to inside, I'm taking duplicate. There are 4 words here. One is product, product master, released product, item master, item number or item master. Okay, at present, all are same for you. It looks like all are same, but there was a difference. there is difference between these words. These words, the differences you will understand next week, not today. Okay, at present, all are same for you, but there is a differences. There is a differences between these words. What is product master, what is release product, what is item number or item master. I'll discuss with you next week. Fine. So now released product. Released product here. The first screen. Product information management, products, released products. Product information management, products, released products. Okay, this is master. If you remember, I told you one is transaction, one is masters. First transactions. Transactions means purchase order process, sales order process is transactions. Masters is now this one. Released product is a master. Okay, fine. So always whenever you are learning, the first browser, try to keep released product. In this, there will be a lot of changes happening. You need to observe here. Okay, so now I'm opening this purchase order. What is this purchase order process? Purchase order process means purchase order creation. This is the first step. Purchase order confirmation, second step. Third step is product receipt. Fourth step is vendor invoice. There are some more steps also there inside. You will understand those things later. Now purchase order creation means, so we are informing to the vendor what are the items required. So here you need to imagine this is your company. You need 4 washing machines, 10 laptops, 3 LEDs, 5 refrigerators, 2 projectors, 10 mouses, whatever you want. You need some information. You need some material from the vendor. Okay, so that vendor we are informing through purchase order. Purchase order creation means we are informing to the vendor what are the items it is required. That is purchase order creation. Purchase order confirmation means vendor has given assurance. Vendor has given assurance. Yes, we have the material. We are going to deliver material to your company. Okay, this is purchase order confirmation. Product receipt means yes, we have received material from the vendor. We have received material from the vendor. Then warehouse department, they will receive that one. So our physical inventory will be increased. Suppose in our warehouse, this is our warehouse. This is our warehouse. Okay, in our warehouse, already 4 washing machines are there. Now we have received another 10. Then it will become 4 plus 10, 14. So at the time of product receipt, your physical inventory will be increased. At the time of vendor invoice, accounting entries will be posted. That is financials. Okay, so here there are 3 departments are involved. This is purchase department. This is purchase department. Purchase order creation and confirmation. And product receipt will be done by warehouse department. Warehouse department. Okay, and then vendor invoice will be done by accounts payable clerk from finance team. From finance department, they will execute. Here, this will be executed by 3 different departments. 3 different departments. purchase order creation and confirmation will be done by purchase department. Okay. Product receipt will be done by warehouse department. Vendor invoice will be done by accounts payable clerk from finance team. Okay, give me a second, please. I'm writing down the path here in the top. Let me remove this one so that it will be crystal clear. Okay, so purchase order creation means purchase order creation, confirmation, this process, product receipt, vendor invoice. Let me do it this one in the system now. So I'm creating new, I'm clicking on new button, select the vendor, select the vendor. So here, look at this one. This is your company, USMF company. You are purchasing maybe from this vendor, maybe 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 this vendor. This vendor is also a company. Okay, so vendor or supplier. I have selected vendor. Now you need to select warehouse. Warehouse means this one. This is our warehouse. So for warehouse, we have given one number. That number we have entered. Click OK. Then I'm selecting this item, item 1000. So this one, I'm just opening this item, item 1000. So manage inventory, on hand inventory, manage inventory tab. These are tabs. These are tabs. Manage inventory tab, view area page, on hand inventory button. Okay, here in 11 warehouse, we have ordered in total is 559. Ordered in total 559. Now what I'm doing, I'm selecting item 1000. I'm entering 10 quantity and save. Okay, once I enter 10 quantity here, it will update. Ordered in total will become 559 plus 10, 569. So this is ordered in total means we have ordered to the vendor. So those many quantity we are going to receive. Next, confirmation. So without confirmation, you cannot do product receipt. If you want to do product receipt, it is disabled. So confirmation means vendor has confirmed, yes, I'm going to deliver material. So this vendor company has given assurance, yes, they are going to deliver. Okay, I think someone raised hand. Yes, please, Priyanka.
Yeah, Satya. So what is the difference between order in total and on order?
Ordered in total is purchase order, means purchase order quantity. On order means sales order quantity.
Sales order.
This is purchase order quantity. This is sales order quantity.
Okay, so we can see that under while creating purchase order.
Sales order. So while doing purchase order, you are able to see here. Am I right? At present, the changes. I will show you sales order process. Then it will update here.
Okay.
Yeah, I will show you that one.
Thank you.
And not only this one. Yeah, you're welcome. Not only this one. You need to understand all these checkbox buttons, fields. There are so many fields are there. All these fields you need to understand a lot. You are going to learn in the coming sessions. Fine. So now we understood ordered in total increased. And then I have confirmation. Now I'm doing product receipt, receive tab, generate area page, product receipt. So I'm entering product receipt number. So what is this number actually? What is this number? Product receipt number. Without number, if you are trying to post, it will throw error message. Okay, number not specified. Product receipt number is mandatory. Product receipt must be specified. So I'm entering product receipt. Now, what is this number? Actually, whenever you are delivering material, see, this vendor is delivering material to your company. Suppose your company is in Bangalore. This is your Bangalore, your company is located. This company is in Mumbai. So from Mumbai to Bangalore, they are delivering. Whenever they are delivering, they need to generate a delivery document. This vendor company has to deliver material with one document. Without document, they cannot send to your company. That document number is your product receipt number. This is very, very important. Now, whenever you are practicing, it is dummy number. Whenever you are practicing, it is dummy number. But in real-time scenario, for client, wherever you are working, this number is very, very important, crucial, very important number. Okay, so this product receipt, whatever we are doing, it is also called, product receipt is also called GRN, goods receipt note, MRN, material receipt note, or receipt. Because in some SAP, it will be called differently. In Oracle apps, it will be called differently. In some other ERPs, it will be called differently. Okay, so product receipt or goods receipt note, GRN, MRN, material receipt note or receipt, all are synonyms. All are synonyms, same meaning. Okay, so we have entered product receipt number and document date. Click OK. If you do product receipt, what happens? I told you your physical inventory will be increased. Your physical inventory will be increased. Meaning in your warehouse already 15 available. You have updated 10, then 15 plus 10, 25. But here, if you verify, we have 314 and we have received 10, then 314 plus 10, 324. And this one will go back to 559 because earlier it is 559. Now it is moving from here to here. This is 324, 559. So at the time of product receipt, your physical inventory will be increased. Your physical inventory will be increased. Now I'm doing invoice. Invoice, generate invoice. Okay, invoice means how much amounts. What is the amount we need to pay? Here, the totals will be verified. What is the amount? What is the discounts? What is the charges? What is the taxes? All these things you need to learn. Taxes I cannot teach you, that is finance. Remaining you are going to learn. Charges also part of finance. It is a part of finance, but I will teach to you as well. Okay. Discounts also you are going to learn, line discount, multi-line discount, total discounts. There are multiple discounts you are going to learn. So this amount is actually you will receive invoice copy from the vendor. Vendor will generate invoice in 3 colors. He will generate invoice in 3 colors. Vendor, this company will generate invoice in 3 colors. One is for their filing purpose. One is given for transportation, the truck. One is given to you. So any company, they will generate 3 documents. one document for their filing purpose, one copy for the transporter because it is delivering from Mumbai to Bangalore, one copy to you. So this invoice will have number and date, invoice number and date. Okay, so that invoice number and invoice date you need to enter here. You need to enter. So we will verify the totals. Okay, now I'm entering in vendor invoice number because at present we are entering dummy number, but in real time scenario, a very important number. Okay, an invoice date. Then we are clicking on update mass status. We are clicking on update mass status passed. Now the question is, what is this update mass status? So at present, I cannot teach you at this point. Update mass status. Okay, matching policies. What is this? You are going to learn after 1 month. 5th week, combined session, both finance and supply chain management. I'm going to teach you what is this update mass status, what is this matching policies, why I need to click. I'm clicking here, then it is passed. So what is the purpose of this function? You are going to learn. It is 1 hour session. I will explain you later, not now. Okay, once you entered, then totals will be validated. Amounts are correct or not. The invoice, whatever you have received physically, the physical copy, whatever it is coming here, is it correct or not? It will be validated by the accounts payable clerk. Once it is everything is fine, they will post the button. Now, if you do like this, what happens? The accounting entries will be posted. I told you accounting entries. What do you mean by accounting entries? So how much amount we need to pay to the vendor? So it will show you here invoice, voucher. At present it is empty. Okay, so we need to go to general ledger, periodic tasks, subledger journal entry is not yet transferred. Select this one, transfer now. Then voucher will be displayed. So what is debit, what is credit was posted. This is financial postings. This is a part of finance. As I told you, vendor invoice is a part of finance. Now the question is, what is this? What is this subledger journal entry is not yet transferred? So this is finance. Once again, this is finance, but I will discuss with you also in the 5th week. Subledger journal entries not yet transferred. So what is this? 5th week you are going to learn, because I need to teach you this one for finance and supply chain management together, these two topics. So I'm keeping pending point. So this is not relevant for you because the voucher finance team will handle it. You are not going to do it. Simply once it is posted, that is enough. Okay. Any questions till now about this purchase order process? Any questions? Any doubts? Any questions?
So,
Satya,
yeah,
permission.
Satya, I have one.
Sorry.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Priyanka, proceed.
So now you shown us like how to create a purchase order, like single purchase
Yes.
order.
Yeah.
Let's say I have to create like more than one, like 10 or 50 purchase orders.
Yeah.
So do
That
I have
will
to?
understand. I'm going to cover that one in the coming sessions. You are going to learn. Multiple also the same procedure. Partial, how to receive. So many things are there. Sub scenarios a lot. I need to cover. Okay.
Yeah.
I will cover that one in future. Yeah. Murugan.
Satya.
Yeah.
Satya, 2 3 point. One is so same point. We can copy the PO and create the similar POs.
Yes. Yes, it is possible.
It is possible. Same thing, line item also I need to copy. Just the quantity
Yes.
I need. That also possible.
Copy functions.
Yeah. Then
Hmm.
our next point is this and all future I'm expecting to you. And the
Yeah.
release strategy, PO release strategy.
Hmm.
Header level or line item level. Normally, which is best practice you are using here. Okay, Dynamics.
Hmm.
That
Release
point.
means you are talking about
PO,
workflow, like
PO release by chance. 1 lakh means the two approval should go by chance the procurement
yeah, yeah,
head and the
that is,
finance kind of things.
yeah, that is workflow. It is a part
Ah,
of
oh,
workflow.
your
It will be
workflow.
covered.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
And one more doubt here, you are doing the GRN, right? GRN
Yeah.
time, accounting entry will not create anything, right? In your system.
There are
Yeah.
that will be fully covered in finance, Murugesan. If you are looking for that one,
Mm.
it will be detailed discussion will be happened in finance, but
Okay.
not in supply chain management.
No. Why not just basic consider, I'm saying,
Yeah, yeah.
whenever I'm
So
doing any transaction,
yeah,
basically I need to understand when this accounting
the,
entry will hit. That's what.
there is a
Okay.
setups here.
Mhm.
At the time of product receipt, if you want, one
Mm.
setup is there. If you
Mm.
don't want, one setup is there.
Okay. GRN will also, if you want accounting entry, can hit. Okay.
Yes,
If you don't
yes,
want, we can skip the process. That's what you are.
yes. So by default in the system, whenever you
Mm.
have created a new company,
Mm.
it will not give you option to enable that one. Means without product receipt entries, I mean to say GRN, at the time of GRN, there is no
Mm.
postings by default. If
Mm.
you want, you need to enable that checkbox. Why it is required, what is the debits and credits, everything will be discussed in detail in finance, but
Okay.
that is the setups and configurations.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, fine.
Okay. Again, that you are booking in the invoice you are doing, right? Invoice also you want to, it will not automatically hit the accounting entry. You want to go and
In
transfer
real terms,
the
in
that
real
also.
time scenario, this
Uh,
is not required. In live
that's what.
environment, it is not required.
Okay.
Practice environment, you need to do it.
Okay.
Why we need to do it, I will explain you the reasons behind.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, here there is a rule called transfer rule setup. Okay, in the based on this setup, so why Microsoft has given this one, what is the logic behind and everything, I will discuss with you.
Okay.
Okay, even that is a finance, I will cover for both finance and supply chain management, because in your practice environment you are doing, but in real time scenario we will not do it. No, system will do automatically. Yeah.
Okay.
So there are three like tier 1, tier 2, tier 3, tier 4 environments will be there. Microsoft will handle it. If it is a tier 1, tier 2 practice environments, it is after some time it is executing. If it is tier 3, because in a live environment it is tier 3 or tier 4. For that, no need to do any transfer. It will be transferred in a few nanoseconds or microseconds. Okay,
Okay.
Murugesh?
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Anything else, team? Anyone? Any more questions, please? No questions. Fine. So we understood now purchase order process. We understood purchase order process. And then I told you, just I have introduced about masters. Product master, release product, item number. Now I'm doing sales order process. One more, sales order process. So we understood this process, like we have given order to the vendor. Vendor is delivering material to our company. Now customer company, they have given order to our company and we are delivering material to the customer. That is sales order process. Sales order process means customer is requesting material to our from our company. We are delivering material to the customer and we are giving invoice to the customer. So that's what we are going to learn now. So here this is sales order process. Sales order creation, sales order confirmation. This is optional. Whereas here it is mandatory. This is mandatory, but here it is optional. And then packing slip, then invoice to customer. Okay, before this one, we have some more steps before sales order process. We have lead, opportunity, sales quotation. All these things are there that you will understand later. These things you will understand later. Okay, sales order process means sales and marketing, someone joined. Okay, sales and marketing, sales orders, all sales orders. This is the path. So this is done by sales and marketing department. Sales and marketing department, they will execute sales order. Okay, this is optional, and here it will validate credit limit. So here there is a credit department. If it is small companies, they may not have this function, this department. So credit department will be there. If it is a big company, they will validate. Okay, so packing slip is done by warehouse department. Packing slip will be done by warehouse department. And accounts receivable clerk. Accounts receivable clerk from finance department. He will execute invoice. So during this one, accounting entries will be posted. Okay, so here this is optional. Confirmation, sales order confirmation is optional. This packing slip, whenever you are doing, it is physical inventory will be decreased. Here packing slip means we are delivering material to the customer. We are delivering material to the customer. So okay, fine. So physical inventory will be decreased, meaning if you go to this warehouse, suppose 25 items are there. 5 delivered to the customer, 5 dispatched to the customer. Then 25 minus 5, 20. 25 minus 5, 20. That's what it is here. So sales order means customer informed to our company for their requirements. How many washing machines required, how many laptops required, how many LEDs required, all those things will be in the sales order creation. Sales order creation means customer is informing to us what are the items required. So confirmation is optional. I told you this is credit limit. Now, what is this credit limit means? This is a part of finance once again. So in future, I'm going to teach you what is credit limit. Okay, in reality, all these three topics are finance. All these three topics are finance topics, but you should know. You should know. I will cover this one in future. Whenever it is combined session, I will teach you. So this packing slip is also called delivery challan, DC, or delivery order, DO, or delivery note, or issue. All are same, synonyms. All are synonyms. The business people, they will pronounce DC, delivery order, DC, delivery challan, DO, delivery order, delivery note, issue, packing slip. But in the system, we know we will do packing slip. Invoice to customer means we are generating invoice and we are arranging this invoice to the customer. Because if it is a customer invoice means we will generate invoice copy. We means our company will generate 3 copies. 1 copy for filing purpose, for our filing purpose, 1 copy for transportation, 1 copy for customer. You need to imagine here, this is in Mumbai. Example, this is in Hyderabad. Okay, then this is in Warangal. So from Mumbai to Hyderabad, my company is in Hyderabad, Hyderabad company to Warangal. Otherwise, Mumbai to Bangalore, this is my company is Bangalore. From Bangalore to Mangalore or Mysore. My company is in Bangalore. I'm delivering to Mysore company. Okay, so whenever it is purchase order invoice, vendor will give the invoice copy to you. Whereas this one, you are arranging invoice copy to the customer. You are arranging invoice to the customer. Fine. So let me show you this process. Lead, sales and marketing, sales orders, all sales orders. Now this one you will understand later. Lead, opportunities, sales quotation. We can discuss later. And in between there is pick process also there. Okay, what is this pick? You will understand in future. You will understand in future. Okay, fine. So let me create. Yeah, proceed.
In this sales order creation, so as we have a site, right, which is nothing but a warehouse, when we have a multiple warehouse, how do we consider it? Like which warehouse we need to pick it up?
So for that, I'm going to cover one more topic. It is item master. Here, warehouse, which warehouse means, suppose this site is Hyderabad. Site is Hyderabad. Now warehouse means in Hyderabad, I have 3 warehouses. One is in Dilshuk Nagar. Another one is in Kukatpalli. One more it is in Chandanagar. Okay, then from which warehouse you are delivering, that warehouse you need to select. Whether you are receiving or delivering, you are executing from which warehouse? Hyderabad warehouse, Hyderabad site, in that Dilshuk Nagar or Kukatpalli or Chandanagar. Yeah, is it clear?
Yeah, from the drop down, we need to select, right?
Yes, exactly right. Exactly right.
Can we have this ship to address or drop ship to address for the same?
All those things will be covered, but not now. It is confusing people. So let me write down. Tell me now, what is your ship to
address, drop ship to address?
Yeah. Okay, not now. I'll discuss with you this one in future. Okay, this is Priyanka. Priyanka, right?
No, it's Sandhya.
Sandhya. Because I will try to make sure you are present on that day whenever I'm explaining.
Sure.
Okay, fine. Fine. Now I'm creating a sales order. Sales and marketing. Sales and marketing. Sales orders, all sales orders. Click on new button. Click on new button. Select the customer. Select the customer. Here there are so many customers. Whenever you are practicing, your first customer number is DE001. Don't select DE001. So I'm saying don't select DE001. Okay. Don't select. Why? Why I should not select? This is linked to intercompany stock transfer. Intercompany stock transfer. So what is this intercompany? One of the topic here, intercompany stock transfer. I need to discuss with you. At this point, you don't know what is intercompany stock transfer. So if you don't know intercompany stock transfer, if you select DE001, you will get some different warning messages. Different warning messages. So don't select this one. Select other than this customer because these customers are created by me. So whenever you are practicing, the first customer is DE001. If you select, you will get some warning messages. You cannot proceed. Okay. At present, please don't select. We'll discuss this one mostly next month end, not now. Okay. Or in the month of May, first week, you are going to learn. So you need to select other than DE001, US001. Select the warehouse. Click OK. Okay. Select the item 1000. Okay. Now, if you verify on order 70, now I am selecting 5 quantity and save. Okay, if you do like this, what happens? 70 plus 5, 75. Okay, 75. 70 plus 5, 75. So release product. Manage inventory, on hand inventory. It is 75. Okay. Now I'm skipping this confirmation. It is, you can skip it. It is not mandatory. I'm doing packing slip. So pick and pack, post packing slip. Post packing slip. So click OK. So it is giving a warning message. Information. This is not a warning message. This is information. What is this information? You are about to post the document without printing. Select OK. Meaning in real-time scenario, you have to have a printer connection and you need to take a printout because as I told you, in this case, if it is a vendor invoice, purchase order process, vendor is giving document to you. They are taking printout, they are giving document to you. Whereas this sales order process, you are giving document to your customer. Your company, this is your company. Your company is giving to the customer. So it is must, you need to take a printout. So it is reminding you, you missed printout. You are missing printout. So take a printout. But in real-time scenario, I will have a printer connection. I'll take a printout. Now for practicing purpose, not required. I'm proceeding. Okay, now it is delivered. So I have 324. Now 5 quantity delivered. Packing slip means delivered. If it is delivered, this will become 319. This will become 70. 319 and 70. Okay, next invoice. Invoice, click OK. So at the time of invoicing, the financial postings, debits and credits will be posted. Debits and credits will be posted. Okay, this is about financial postings. Okay, and whoever is joining second time, please ping me 121. I will add into the group, the new group. B164 already have created one batch. This is our batch number is 164. Okay, whoever is joining for second time, please ping me. I will give you, I will add into my group, the B164, and tomorrow onwards, the link will be changed. The new link will be given to you. So already I have created one group. So tomorrow onwards, whoever is paid fee, those people only will be allowed. Okay. If you are joining through institutes, please check with your institutes so that your institute will give me assurance like you can add into the group. I will add into the group. Okay, fine. So whoever is joining for second time, please ping me one-to-one in WhatsApp. I will add into the group, new group. Okay, Sandhya, you are joining for second time. Am I right?
No, finance, that is for second time, but SCM is my first session.
Yeah, whatever it is, you can ping me WhatsApp. So we'll see that one, whatever you are looking.
Sure. Sir, I just
Fine.
have a question. Please go
Yeah.
back to sales order creation.
Okay.
So we have a field called delivery type and the value is set to stock. So what does it refers to?
Where it is?
While entering sales order details.
Here. Delivery
Yes,
stock.
yes, delivery type.
Yeah, this is one functionality I'm going to explain you. Intercompany direct delivery and intercompany direct delivery. So whenever I'm explaining this one, I'll explain you. But let me write down delivery type. This is interlinked. Delivery type. One is stock and direct delivery. Am I right?
Yes.
Stock and direct delivery. So these all are interlinked with intercompany stock transfer.
Okay, and we have a CW quantity and CW unit.
So
is
that
this a
is one
field?
more function called catch weight. Tell me now, what is that?
No, I'm just referring to that CW quantity and CW unit. So is this like static or dynamic, or it is a what type of a
Actually,
value we can enter into it?
yeah, what is this catch weight quantity means? Actually, suppose you are purchasing potatoes. You are purchasing potatoes. If you go to any supermarket, okay, I will detail explain you in future. Example I'm taking. Potato pack in supermarket. 1 kg packets are there. Okay, one pack is 980 grams. One pack is 1025 grams. So if it is both prices will not be same. Agree?
Yes.
This is 980 grams. This is 1020 grams. So for that we will use catch weight.
Okay. Based
Okay.
on the weight, we will be entering the
Exactly right.
values.
Exactly right.
Okay.
It is changing. Okay, there are some more functions. One is catch weight and another one is one more function called over delivery, under delivery. Okay, these are another functions you are going to learn.
Okay, so thank you.
Yeah. In future we'll cover. Any more questions, team? Anyone? Any more questions? Okay, so tomorrow onwards the link will be changed. Okay, so whoever is paid fee, if you are joining through institute, please approach your institute to add into the group B164. Whoever is joining for second time, you can ping me. I will add into the group. Already I have created one WhatsApp group and I have added many people already. Some people are already added. Okay, so please look at, please remember, I'm going to change the link tomorrow. And periodically I will update the new link in the WhatsApp group only, B164 group. Okay, fine. Any more questions, please? Yeah.
Yeah, Satya, one question.
Yeah.
So regarding the invoice, so does this D365 supports the GST invoice like we have for India, right? For IGST and CGST or HGST?
Yes, so that is Indian localization is there. Okay, like localizations, I will tell you. If you look at this one, Microsoft supports earlier 36, now it is 58 localizations, 58 countries localizations. Okay.
Okay.
So I'm not going to cover these localizations. I'm going to teach you standard taxation, how it works. And after that, I will give you one document. Then you need to learn yourself. That is GST related. I'm not going to teach you. Localizations I'm not teaching. It is a part of finance. In finance, I'm going to cover standard taxation across the globe. Standard taxation how it works, I will explain you. But localizations, it is a part of it is I cannot cover that one. I cannot cover, but you can see this document, you can easily understand
Okay.
localizations.
So
Microsoft has given clear. Proceed.
Sorry. While creating company, we have to select the region. Is it?
Yes. Yeah.
Indian.
That explanation I will give you, but the setups and configuration I'm not going to cover. But it is detailed document is there from Microsoft.
Okay.
Got my point?
Yeah. Thank you.
Because countries to country, it will be localizations will be changed. And if you are working for, suppose Kuwait localization is required. If you are working for Japan localization you need to learn. There are many localizations. 58 localizations are provided by Microsoft. Okay.
Yeah, got it. Thanks.
But it is a part of finance, not here. Okay.
Yeah.
Fine. I'm stopping here now.
Okay.
Murugeshan, yes, please.
Sorry, 1 minute only. Actually, I'm handling the taxation also at the side. So finance side, are you covering the GST part or only
Can
the
we
general?
can we join finance session and we'll discuss there, Murugeshan?
Okay.
Please don't mind.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Please join for finance session because people are waiting there.
Okay.
Let us join and there we'll discuss.
Okay.
Okay, fine.
Thank you. Bye.
Yeah, welcome.